Only animal that cannot jump. Option A, elephant. Option B, horse. Option C, bull. And option D is kangaroo. The right option is elephant. Name the bird that lays more than 100 eggs in one nest. Is option A, kiwi. Option B, ostrich. Option C, hen. And option D is hummingbird. And the right option is ostrich. Camel can live without water for how many days? 20 days, 30 days, 25 days or 35 days. The right option is 30 days. Common domestic animal that is colorblind. Dog, cat, cow or parrot. The right option is dog. First animal to go into the space. The right option is dog. Name the organ which is missing in the camel. Stomach. Option B, lungs. Option C, gallbladder. And option D is intestine. The right option is gallbladder. Name the bird that lays only one egg in 2 years. We have ostrich, kiwi, albatross and pigeon. And the right option is albatross. Average pregnancy period of a female dog is. The right option is 63 days. Thanks for watching.